Before first use of your electric EA series steamer. In this video, we will cover how to prepare your Vulcan EA series steamer before first use. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. Water quality. Important. Water is a customer-supplied utility. A suitable water treatment system and regular filter replacements, coupled with routine cleaning and deliming, are essential to extend the life of your unit. In accordance with the minimum preventative maintenance required under the warranty, a scale blocker filter should be installed every 6 months and delimed based on the water quality being supplied. When properly maintained, the scale blocker, sold exclusively by Vulcan, will extend the life of the steamer warranty on water-related issues from 1 to 2 years, per the initial registration agreement. Make sure the scale blocker is registered on the Vulcan website using the serial number of your steamer. Note: proper water quality can improve the taste of the food prepared in the steamer and help reduce liming in the steam generator and extend equipment life. Drain connections. Setting up the drain connection is an essential process to prevent water backup. Verify the drain connection is installed correctly. Note: Vulcan recommends using an 1.5 inch copper or galvanized pipe for the drain connection. The drain connection must be a diameter of 1.5 inches, preferably with one elbow only, a maximum length of 6 feet, and piped to an open gap type drain. Caution: in order to avoid any back pressure in the steamer, do not make a solid connection to any drain. Failure to do so can damage the unit and void your steamer's warranty. A vent must be installed to avoid creating a vacuum or pressure in the cooking chamber. It is recommended you review the drain line installation and water pressure guidelines in the operation manual, as these are essential components of the steamer. If questions or any discrepancy is noticed, please contact your authorized service provider for more information. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.